Do you want to solve the problem of waterproofing balconies and terraces once and for all? Mapei has complete high-technology, durable product systems available for your needs. The Zero system for balconies and terraces is made up of certified and guaranteed products, with CO2 emissions offset for their entire life cycle. Mapelastic Zero, the legendary waterproofer. Ultralite S1 Flex Zero, lightweight adhesive for ceramic tiles, including large formats. Ultracolor Plus Zero, tiling grout in a vast array of colors. Mapesil Ac Eco, silicone sealant. Or as an alternative, Mapei proposes the Mapeguard 35 system, uncoupling anti-fracture and waterproofing membrane. Great for overcoming problems with damp, cracked, or jointed substrates. And lastly, thanks to Profilpas, part of the group, Mapei can supply a complete range of balcony profiles in a variety of colored finishes to complete work to the highest standard. One system, the same quality result.